Okay, so another way to look at what we've talked about, and this will give a little bit more information on the responsibilities of each individual, is let's start with our introduction. This lesson introduces you to the roles of leaders and followers in drill. It also discusses the different types of commands and importance of a strong command voice. Key terms: cadence, column, command of execution, inflection, interval, preparatory command, rhythmic, selfless, snap, supplementary command, tone, and command of execution. When you look at the responsibilities of a follower, the role you play as a follower in drill is very important to the success of the unit. It's your job to complete whatever it is you have been assigned as well as you can, and giving that as selfless service to the unit itself. Responsibilities as a leader. As a leader, you must take responsibility for the success and failure of the unit. The buck stops here. This is where the leader is in charge of everything that happens. It's in charge. The leader is in charge of the success or the challenges or the failures of the individual unit. You must set the example at all times. You have to know what your job is, and you have to be concerned about the welfare of the people that you're in charge of. You must always show and strive to succeed, just like a follower. Nobody is outside the rules and regulations. Everybody is beholden to the same thing. Now, when we talk about commands and command voice, the responsibility of the leader include proper use of command voice. The two parts of a command are the preparatory command and the command of execution. The preparatory command simply lets you know we're about to do something, catches everybody's attention. And then the command of execution is actually what you're going to have them do, right? So, here we go. So, preparatory command states a movement that the leader wants the subordinates to perform, and it merely prepares them for its execution, such as parade. That would be the preparatory command for the drill movement, parade arrest. So, preparatory command is parade. And then the command of execution. The command of execution signals when the subordinates are to execute the movement. For example, in the command forward march, forward is a preparatory command, and march is a command of execution. Or in the example I gave you, parade is a preparatory command, and rest is a command of execution. Now, supplementary commands are commands that reinforce other commands to ensure proper understanding of the execution and of the movement. Now, command voice. Command voice is talking about your voice control. It needs to be loud enough that the people can hear you, but not so loud as to impact other units. Distinctiveness. Distinctiveness depends on the correct use of tongue, lips, and teeth to separate sounds of a word or group of sounds into syllables that can help subordinates clearly understand the instructions. If you're trying to give your commands like that, it doesn't work. All right. Inflection is a rise and fall in pitch and the tone changes of the voice. When you're doing physical fitness, and you're doing the 4 count exercise, right? To end it, you change your voice. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. That change in inflection lets you know that we are about to stop. And so instead of saying 4, all the unit would say halt. So it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, halt. Now, cadence is the speed at which you're giving your commands, right? So giving commands, cadence is uniform and rhythmic. It's like calling left and right, so it'd be forward, march, left, 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 right. I don't want to be saying left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, 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 right, left, 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 right. We want to make sure that we're following the same sequence as we're doing this because we want it to be clear. We want to make sure that there are intervals. It's not parade rest, it's parade rest. It's not present arms, it's present arms. It's not order arms, it's order arms. Always have that pause between the preparatory command and the command of execution. Now, there are some things called combined commands. A combined command would be an example like fall in. Fall in is a combined command because there is no preparatory command or separate command of execution. It's all at once. So when you say fall in, that means the unit moves quickly to their position and gets into the position of attention and formation. In conclusion, proper execution of commands and command voice takes practice, but when you know what your responsibilities are and you prepare for drill, then you find that actually being that drill leader is much simpler. And as a follower, you need to know all the commands as well so that you're able to execute properly those commands in performance of what the expectation is. So, there you go.